Complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday against the conviction of Yasin Malik in a concocted case by a court of India's notorious National Investigation Agency. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by the Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, trader and students' unions, civil society and other Hurriyat organizations. In a highly reprehensible development, Yasin Malik was convicted on Thursday in a manifestly dubious and motivated case filed by NIA in 2017. The APHC leadership in a statement issued in Srinagar said that Modi-led Indian fascist regime has left behind all the past measures of suppression to curb the just and legitimate struggle for Kashmiri people's right to self-determination. It deplored that out of frustration, the Hindutva regime was sentencing pro-freedom leadership under nefarious designs through a specially constituted kangaroo courts. Yasin Malik's daughter, Razia Sultana, talking to media in Islamabad, pleaded with the United Nations Secretary General to assist in her father's case and help save his life. Pakistan's Foreign Office spokesperson Asim Iftikhar urged India to seize human rights violations, release all Kashmiri leaders detained on trumped-up charges, lift the inhuman military siege, and let the people of Kashmir exercise their right to self-determination as enshrined in the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions. Minister for Human Rights Riaz Hussain Pirzada has urged the world to take notice of the one-sided and dubious judicial trial of Yasin Malik and his possible murder through the ongoing sham proceedings. On the other hand, advisor to Prime Minister on Kashmir Affairs and Gilgit-Baltistan, Qamar Zaman Kaira, has written a letter to Amnesty International, United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Human Rights Watch New York and Human Rights Watch Pakistan regarding illegal trial of Yasin Malik. The High Court Bar Association of occupied Jammu and Kashmir has expressed concern over the plight of illegally detained Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in different jails of India and the occupied territory. The Bar Association spokesman Ghulam Nabi Shaheen, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Kashmiri detainees are in desperate and inhuman conditions in jails which can pose a serious threat to their lives. In Istanbul, speakers have urged the participants of the International Jurist Conference to intensify their efforts to increase diplomatic pressure on India to stop genocide of the Kashmiri people. Scholars from 42 Islamic countries attended the event. The speakers expressed apprehension that after Sayyid Ali Gilani and Muhammad Ashraf Sahrai, the Modi government is all set to claim the life of another prominent Hurriyat leader, Yasin Malik, in jail.